Hello adventurer, welcome to my channel. I started making videos because I wanted to journal the exciting adventures that I enjoy. I hope this will be entertaining, maybe even inspire you to embark on your own adventure. I also share the tips and tricks I've learned in my journeys. Perhaps what I know could enhance your travel experience. And I share stories of my travel blunders. Perhaps my mistakes and misfortune is one less of yours. I'm hoping to become YouTube partner by May 2023. That's where I need your help. If you enjoy my work, please consider subscribing. Now, wish me luck and let's go on another adventure.